Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Jha and welcome back to NCERT The Mind. Today we are starting with a new chapter of NCERT Class 5th Maths, Chapter 1 The Fish Tale Introduction. What we will study in this chapter: 1. What is haiku? 2. Drawing of fish. 3. Fish design. 4. Fish of different size. 5. Whale shark. 6. The fish tale. 7. School of fish. 8. Shapes. 9. Fishermen in their boat. 10. What a catch. 11. Which boat gets how much. 12. Some big numbers. 13. The fish market. 14. Women's minker bank. What is haiku? Deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. The lake calm, smooth, still a fish jumps up and returns, ripples shake the lake. This special poem in 3 lines is called a haiku. Such poems about nature are popular in Japan. Now our second topic is drawing of fish. There are some drawings made by children. You also make a drawing of fish. Now our third topic is fish designs. Look for fish designs around you, on cloth, in paintings, on mats, etc. such as this t-shirt. Now our fourth topic is fish of different size. In the sea there are different sizes of fishes. The smallest one is 1 cm long. The biggest one is about 18 meters long. Now our fifth topic is whale shark. The biggest fish is the whale shark. It is actually not a whale but is a big fish. Whales are different from fish. Whales breathe like we do through their noses, but fish have no noses and they take in water, not air. Whales give birth to babies, but fish lay eggs. The whale shark fish look big and dangerous, but is quite harmless. It does not attack humans. One whale shark was as long as 18 meters. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size standing one on top of the other. And guess what is weight? Well, much more than what 12 of you together weight. Whale shark weight was about 16,000 kg. Now our sixth topic is the fish tail. In this topic, I tell you about the tail of fish and whale. To see the differences between whales and fish, look carefully at their tails. Can you see that the fish tail stands flat along its body, but the tail of the whale almost looks like 2 legs. Our seventh topic is school of fish. To understand the meaning of school of fish, firstly, you have to clear that many animals like to live in their groups. Similarly, fishes also like to live in their groups. Now, you understand the meaning of school of fish, and if you did not understand the meaning of school of fish, then the meaning of school of fish is the group of fishes. In other words, the group of fish is called school of fish. Now, our eighth topic is shapes. For you in class 5, there are some shapes. They are square, circle, triangle, hexagon, star, pentagon, diamond, rectangle. Now, our ninth topic is fishermen in their boat. In this topic, I tell you about different types of boats. Boats of different types. First is oar boat. Second is log boat. Third is motor boat. Fourth is long tail boat. Fifth is big machine boat, which is also known as trawler. Now our 10th topic is what a catch. Out on the sea, fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. There they spread their nets. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets. Now our 11th topic is which boat gets how much. In this topic I tell you about which type of boat get how much fish in one trip. Here is type of boats. Here catch of fish in one trip in kg and its speed in 1 hour. First is log boat. It catches 20 kg in one trip and its speed is 4 km per hour. Our second boat is long tail boat. It catches 600 kg in one trip and its speed is 12 km per hour. Our third boat is motor boat. It catches 800 kg of fishes in one trip and its speed is 20 km per hour. Our fourth and last boat is big machine boat. It catches 6000 kg of fishes in one trip and its speed is 22 km per hour. Now our 12th topic is some big numbers. In class 4 math magic you have heard a word lakh which means 100,000. For example that there are almost 1 lakh bricks are made in our country. Now you have to learn a big word which is known as crore, which means 100 lakh. For example, 1 crore boats, 1 crore fish worker, etc. Our 13th topic is the fish market. When a place is very noisy, you say that it is like a fish market because in fish market there is very noise. Have you ever go to fish market? There is a story about fish market. Hear it carefully. The fish market is busy today. Many boats got a good catch. The fisher women are shouting out the price of fish to the buyers. Meena is a fisherwoman who said, "Come here, take sardines at rupees 40 a kg." Gracie, the other fisherwoman, said, "Never so cheap. Get swordfish for rupees 60 a kg." Florama sells prawns for rupees 150 a kg. Karuthama sells squid for rupees 50 a kg. Fazila can hardly carry this big kingfish. She says that this fish weighs 8 kg, so I sell it for rupees 1200. 14th topic is Women's Minker Bank. The meeting of the Minker Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. 20 fisherwomen have made its own bank. It saves rupees 25 every month and puts it in the bank.